Just think, the mobile phone you use every day, or any small electronic device in your house, there may be some truth hidden behind these which, if you know, you won't be able to sleep properly at night. One of the most powerful economies in the world, but at the same time the most mysterious country. And in today's video, we will know some unknown and surprising facts about China, which millions of people were really shocked after seeing on the internet. Welcome, friends, to today's mysterious episode. China's economic development has been amazing in the past decade. While the big countries of the world are struggling for development, China is constantly capturing the entire world market through new industries, technologies, and businesses. Their greatest strength is the ability to produce products quickly at low cost. But not only technology, there are some strange facts surrounding China, which will shock you if you hear them. Even today, some regions of China still have the practice of eating some foods that are unimaginable to people in other countries of the world. Some places consider special types of eggs as traditional foods, while others have been eating dog or cat meat for many years. Various reports have mentioned that millions of animals die every year due to this. China's internet world is also very different. The world's most popular social media platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, have been strictly banned there for a long time. The government controls the entire digital world through its own apps and online systems. Another surprising thing is that some factories in China have been accused of making fake or low-quality food. Once there was news about plastic rice, where it was said that food was being made to look like rice by mixing artificial ingredients. Although there is controversy over this information, such news still created panic around the world. Not only that, many of the world's famous brands are also made in huge factories in China. Millions of workers work day and night to keep prices low. And that is why China is called the factory of the world. But the question is, why is the whole world still so dependent on Chinese-made products, despite so much progress, so much power, and so much controversy? Maybe the answer lies in our daily lives, because whether we like it or not, China is so entangled in today's world that it's almost impossible to escape.